watch in effect from Saturday evening through Sunday evening. What? For the winter weather advisory, snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches with a mix of sleet and a glaze of icing from freezing rain or drizzle during Saturday. For the winter storm watch, total snow accumulation around 6 inches with locally higher totals possible. Wind gusts near 40 miles per hour possible by Sunday afternoon. Where? For the M59 corridor, counties of southeast Michigan and points south through Metro Detroit to the Ohio border. When? The winter weather advisory is in effect from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. The winter storm watch is in effect from Saturday evening through Sunday evening. Impacts: hazardous travel inconvenience during Saturday. Dangerous travel and outdoor conditions possible Saturday night and Sunday. Additional details: snow moves into the area late tonight with light accumulation followed by a short break during the morning. Showers of mixed snow and sleet redevelop toward noon and continue into the evening. A mix of freezing drizzle or freezing rain is also likely, with a transition to rain also expected where temperatures briefly rise above freezing, mainly along and south of I-96 696. The responsible low-pressure system strengthens considerably Saturday night, making a new round of heavy snow and mixed precipitation possible through Sunday. Plan for slower than normal travel time during Saturday. Monitor forecasts for Saturday night and Sunday as dangerous travel and outdoor conditions may develop. You can obtain the latest road conditions from the MDOT Michigan Drive map. Winter weather message. For the following counties, in Michigan, Lenawee and Monroe,